he's eating baby cake.
It's alright, he's gonna pick it up.
He's gonna pick it up and drop it is what he's gonna do.
Don't let him.
Pick it up and put it in Corey's face.
Okay, here we go.
The ultimate Stooges moment at 1 year old.
About that, Corey.
It's so good you don't even know what to think about it yet.
You've been holding out on me lately.
You're done. Just wanted you to try a little. You can put your hands in it if you want.
Cake yet or just frosting still?
Just frosting.
Get into the cake.
I don't know, he's not into it.
There's a little bit of cake. But you want a little bit? What's that? What's that? Oh, okay. Oh, here. You have to get. You have to get Kim. She has the camera. This is just a video. That's video. Ugh. Where's? Hey, Kim. Can you take a picture real quick?